What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tyra, and I'm coming back at you again with another video. If this is your first time at my channel, welcome, and I'm so glad to have you.
That's right. Hey. Tyra, the creative. That's right. The creative.
So today I did my own Bohemian style goddess locks, and I have to say that for the first time of me doing this, I actually like the way that they came out. So I'm just gonna do a really quick tutorial on how I achieved my goddess locks, because I'm not like a hairstylist or anything, and I did a really quick and easy way. Well, it wasn't really quick, but for me, but I'm gonna show you a really easy way to achieve this look. My hair is freshly washed, and I used the lock method, leave-in conditioner, oil, and a cream to keep my hair moisturized, because it will be in this protective style for, I only leave mine in for like 3 to 4 weeks. I might leave it in for 6. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. So make sure that your hair is fully moisturized, and then you're gonna need some edge control. So I am using Cream of Nature with Oregon Oil edge control, just to make my hair look like it's gonna be snatched, because I'm using the rubber band method. So you just take like however much you need, and you put that all around. Then you take a rubber band and you wrap it around. I have to wrap mine like 4 times to get it so it won't slide. 4 or 5 times, something like that. And I don't pull it all the way tight, because we're gonna have to crochet some hair into it. So for my braiding hair, I don't even know, I had this hair for like a while in my house, but it's a curly hair, because you want to have the little, you want to have the little curls at the bottom of your goddess lock. So I bought it in 22, it was like 22 inches. So it looks like it's like a water wave. And we're gonna crochet this into our banded hair. So I'm just gonna show you a close-up of what's gonna happen. You're gonna stick your crochet needle through. Then you're going to, you're gonna take your crochet needle, have your latch open. You're going to stick it through the band. After it gets through, you want to latch on your hair, close your crochet hook, and you want to just pull it through. So my real hair is longer than I want my, that's a little bit of the braiding hair, but you see my real hair is right there. So my real hair is a little longer than I want my actual braid to, where my braid to stop. So I'm just gonna flip that up, and I'm going to rubber band it to keep it safe. So now it's like that, and I'm gonna take a little bit of edge control and just slick it down onto the braid. Once you do this little part here, this is braiding hair, y'all, that I somehow got into my braid, but that's okay. Once you get to this part, you want to get some Kanekelon hair, or I say Kanekelon, y'all, I think it's Kanekelon, however you say it. You want to get any kind that you want. I used this, the Jamaican twist braid, shake and go, in the color P1B/530, or red and black. So I'm actually redoing this braid, so I'm going to use the hair that I already had. It's already pre-cut, because because I'm redoing this braid. But you want to take the hair and you want to pull it apart, just to give it a bigger surface area. like that. Next, you want to take one side. You want to wrap it around the base. So wrap it around the base a couple of times. So I'm wrapping the shorter side around the base. As you can see, I have one side that's about the length of my braid, and then I have the other side that is going to be for wrapping. I wrap from the side that is shorter around the base twice. Now I'm going to go back with the longer side that's for wrapping, and I'm going to wrap it around the base 2 more times in the opposite direction, and then I'm going to start wrapping downwards along the strand, along the braid. Now, I wanted a bigger surface area because I don't want my braids to be, my wrap to be bulky. So I'm just spreading it out like this, and I'm wrapping and making sure I'm holding as I wrap around so it doesn't come loose. So it'll look like this. I went like maybe ½ an inch past my braid so I could cut this off. You want to make sure you go a little past your braid so you can burn the tips if that's what you like to do, because I'm burning the tips of mine. So cut off all the excess Kanekelon, and then you want to burn to set it at the now. Keep in mind, when you do it this way, they will kind of stick together, but it goes away after a little while. It'll stop sticking. But this is the final braid. Like that. It will kind of stick together, but only for a little while. After you finish your braids, you can add different trinkets and stuff to them. I was using like these little gold chains, and they have like leaves on them. I also have the silver clamps in my head, the silver clamps, and I also got gold. I got both gold and silver hair yarn. So on this particular braid, I'm going to put silver hair yarn on it. I'm just going to start wrapping, start from the back and wrap it around, just any kind of way. Nothing in particular. I'm literally just crossing in the front and crossing in the back to create a design, like an X. Like an X design. And I'm not going to go all the way down on this braid. So once you get as far as you want, you can stop, tie a knot, and cut the rest of the yarn. To give your hair a more bohemian look, I just went around on some of the braids with some extra of the braiding hair that I use. So I have like a little bit of red. This is too much for one section, so I'm gonna split this in half. So I'm gonna take like this much hair, which I'm gonna thin out afterwards, and I'm just going to go through this braid, closed hook. You're gonna go through, I'm actually gonna go through like on the side of the braid. Now when you pull it through, you want to keep that hoop on the other side unlatch it, grab the loop, and you want to pull the hair through the loop. Then you're gonna twist the loop and pull it back through. That's just how I do it. It has a couple of different ways to do it. You can always check out, like, you know, other videos. Once I do that, comb it out, and I'm gonna thin it out. I'm just using some scissors, but I'm just gonna go up and down like this. This one is at the front, so you don't want it to be too long. So like that. Now if you care a lot, you can go back and recrochet it like back through, so it, you know, looks like it's coming out of multiple places, but I don't really care that much because it's still gonna look good with the finished hairstyle. That's really it. That's all I did. After I finished all of my braids, I took some setting lotion and I just, you know, put a little on each braid. But other than that, that's it. It was really quick and easy to do. The hardest part for me was really like parting my hair, because I'm not used to doing my own hair. I normally always go and get it done anytime I want, you know, any kind of weave or anything. But I'm so glad that I did these myself because I like the way they came out. And altogether, I only spent $40. I used like almost 2 packs of the braiding hair that I had, but the packs were really small. It was actually crochet hair, so the packs were really small. So I used almost 2 packs of those. The Kanekelon hair, I used 2 packs because I was only using 1 strand at a time, 1 like piece, and my braids are kind of big. So I bought 3 packs, and I'm gonna show y'all. So this is literally all the hair that I have left, which is almost like a whole pack. But I bought 3 packs, so you know. Other than that, that's about it. Total, it probably took me about 8 hours to do my hair because this was my first time doing this. So I didn't really know, you know, it was like trial and error. I had to do some over and all that kind of stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna go back and put like a little bit more of the curly hair just to make it a little more unruly looking and Bohemian-esque. But I'm loving how it is right now. Yeah, I'm loving how it is right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more stuff like this on my channel, let me know down in the comments. If you have any questions about my Goddes locks, please let me know. They didn't come out exactly how I had planned, but I'm glad that I did this video, and I'm glad that I did my own Goddes locks to get a feel for how I would do at doing my own hair. So I'm gonna actually link the video that I use for inspiration for this look down below, and that's about it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit that big old red button. After you do that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get all of the alerts anytime your girl posts any new content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.